Tired of wasting hours hunting for files, juggling Google Drive links, and losing track of trim wiki pages? In Kenya's fast growing business, scattered documents mean missed opportunities, duplicate work, and frustrated teams. Meet wiki.ke, the WPfoss SaaS that puts all your documents, links, and wikis in one secure workspace so your team can find and collaborate in one place. So to go there, we're going to first go to wiki.ke. This will take us to the landing page. So right now we are in beta. So if you join now, we will request for your feedback. This will help us to improve the product and also deliver more that will help you. So you come here and go to get early access. You can read through what the platform offers, organized by category, drive integration. You can integrate teams, and it's also in the cloud, so you don't have to bother with the storage or hosting by yourself. And you can also leave a review after you've used the platform. We'd really appreciate that. So you come here and get early access, then enter your details and tap for John do, then enter a number, then enter a password. So fill in all these details and create your account. Okay, now an email verification will be sent to your account. So just go to, will be sent to your Gmail. So let's go to your Gmail. Dope. And verify your email address. Okay, so here you can read the terms of service and also the privacy policy. You can read them from over here. Then come check. I've read and agreed to terms of service. I've read and agreed to privacy policy. In this, I understand that WikiHub is in beta, and I agree to provide feedback to help improve the platform. For bug reports, I will include screenshots where possible. So we'll also check this. Then accept and continue. So create your workspace name. I'm going to call it John's domain and click on continue. From here, you can invite team. So I'm going to skip this since I'm going to do it within the platform, but you can invite your team from over here. So you just write, let's say, first email at whatever, then comma separated. So if you want to invite more than one person, add them in a comma separated means. So I'm going to skip that. You can connect your Google Drive from over here. I think I want to do that. So let me connect the Google Drive. This is how you can export and import within the application. So click on continue. And now you can proceed to your workspace. Now, this platform has a lot of features. First of all, you can arrange your dashboard however you want. So if you want this to be the last one over here, you can just drag it over there. This one, the first one, you can rearrange however you wish. Same for the links, you can also rearrange them. You can add a new category, and by default it is only set to you, the owner, who can see it, but you can also set it public or draft that can be seen by only admins. So let me call new age docs. Then you create a new category. So this is only visible to you. So you create a new category. You have the option to delete permanently, archive, or you can manage the access and restrict and change who can see it. So you can also check admin, team member, so that everyone can see it. So yeah, and you can also add a link. Let me see, client onboarding. Just use the default Google. google.com, and you can add a description. So client onboarding info, so add the link, and you can hover over here to check descriptions. You can also add a description to, you see if this one has a description, you can also hover over here to check it. You can also search either by the categories, link names, or even description. So let me edit it and write something like Bazinga and save. Now you can use Bazinga. You can see it shows you the link. So yeah, if you write detailed enough descriptions, you can use it to find your links easier. So export, import, you can export your current application to the drive. So if you start mirroring, it will mirror the dashboard to the drive, to the Google Drive. This might take a minute. Okay. And when you click on view folder, you will see the new age docs onboarding, the current your current dashboard as it is. The new age docs had no link, so which one had a link? Let's see. Oh, clients. So if you open clients, you'll see it has the, and since it was just a, if it was a file, it would open the file, but since it just had a link, it opens txt file with the link. But if you click from the dashboard over here, it redirects to the link. So you see it redirects to the link. Okay. Then if you wish to, let's say, add a new category from over here, so let's say new folder. Let me call it interns. Create, then in that instance, let me new Google Docs. Okay, so as you can see now, this will open the Google Doc. You can edit, you can find your Google Docs from over here. Okay, so let us clear this. You can also select the categories and handle them in bulk. So if you want to delete them, you can delete. If you want to archive them, you can just select and click remove. This removes it from the dashboard. It's the same as archiving, so it's over here. So let's say you archive this one, it also goes over here. So the archived ones are over here. So you can just return them to dashboard. Sync with drive, synchronize the drive. So see, as you can see, we added a new folder here to the Google Drive. Now if you want to fetch it, you just copy the Google Drive link, then come to your dashboard, then click on import from drive, then paste the link, then start import. Okay, this will scan the drive and add the categories that are missing. So as you can see, interns has come over here, so you can order it however you want. The interns info. Then you can also manage users from over. Okay, this is where your notifications will be. So this it's your settings. You can change your password from over here, update your email, and set up 2FA, or disconnect the Google Drive account. So let me set up 2FA. And as you can see, there was this banner from over here. Your account is not protected. Enable 2FA. So 2FA is for enhanced security. So click set up 2FA. And just get your device and open the Google Authenticator app. Then just input the code. So 846 6 4 and click enter. Then 2FA is enabled. Now to disable 2FA, you can disable from over here or within the login page also there. Let me log out and show you. So if you come here, you can see can't access your 2FA, so you can use this to clear your 2FA. Just enter your email and it will send you a disable link. Then you can click it to clear your 2FA. But we're not going to do that, so let me sign back in. Okay, it asks for the 2FA now, so 1 2 6. Okay, now I'm in my dashboard. Audit log is where you can see actions that have been performed by users in your organization. Currently, you're the only user, so you can see updated category to restricted, created category. So any actions, you as the owner can see them from over here. These are the org settings. You can update the name from over here. You can also transfer admin as I've told you. Right now we're in beta testing, so if you create an account right now, you get lifetime access to all the features. After we are done with the beta testing, you will only be able to create one user for the organization, and an addition of any other user will require you to upgrade your plan. So here's where you can submit your feedback. It's bug report, feature, or general feedback. Then click on send feedback. It will send feedback to us, and we will check on any issues. So let's go to manage users. This is what I wanted to show you now. Here you can create, let's say, Jen. Okay, so I'm creating another user and I want to give them a custom role. Let me call them interns, and you can create the role. It will be selected by default. So you can grant this user admin privileges for the interns role, so they can manage categories linked to interns, or also add users to the intern department. So this can be maybe an admin for this, so you can grant admin privileges. I think I'm going to do that for just to showcase, then add user. Then an invite link will be sent to them. So since I'm using the same email, let me just check. Okay, yeah, let's try that again. Then click on reset password. Yeah, so the new user will, this is the user you've added, they will reset their password. Now they have the chance to sign in. So I'm going to sign in as the other user. This is the previous one, the owner. So yeah, I'm going to log in. This is still the owner, the previous account. So for the newly created account, let me open in incognito so that we have a different session, and click on login. Okay, now click on sign in. So you also get this onboarding, accept and continue. But yeah, now you can see they only see the categories that are public. Let's show you. Yeah, you can see they only see these ones that are not marked as private. So let me mark this one as, let's say, owner only. This one only for owner. And this one you update to just for interns. Now when we Go back to this dashboard and refresh the screen. Now you can see they only see the categories that are linked to them. So this is how you can create categories just for a specific, like let me say, department in your organization. So you can add users to a department. So here in manage users, this user can only see themselves and they can add users to this department. Now the interns department, they can just add other users to the interns department from here, add user. As you can see, the only role they can select here is interns. They don't have the option to create another role. They can also give admin access to that intern, but it will still be for the interns department. Okay. So I think those are the features of WikiHub, as you can see. And yeah, as you can see, the benefits, it saves time, instant search, one-click access. It is secure, so you know your data will always be secure, and it's scalable, so you can add multiple departments, multiple users, and share your links with them, so that you don't have, like, how can I say, a Google Drive that you share with this department, that department, and you can just organize all your everything you have from this dashboard. And yeah, so if you're ready to streamline your team's knowledge, and yeah, sign up for lifetime access now for free. We're in beta testing, and all we need from you is your honest feedback. No credit card needed. Just click the link below, sign up, and watch for productivity. So your data stays completely local, as we are the ones who handle it as WPfoss. So it is secure. We also give you support, and you can also see there is Drive integration. So yeah, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and for more from WPfoss, and check out WikiHub.